This is the opportunity shop our channel. We are here at Leftas Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns lost. Capital City won. My brother, how do you feel about the game today?
But the game was really wonderful. The only disappointment is that we didn't put the ball into the legs.
Yeah.
That's the only disappointment. But everything else went very well according to plan, except that goal only. Mistakes will always happen. Yeah. We are also individuals who play football in that manner. We have shown character throughout the season, from the word go up to now. Only one defeat.
Only one mistake.
Only one mistake and one defeat in the whole season. That's phenomenal for Sundowns.
Wonderful, man. And how do you feel but with the fact that we are going to the final? Do you think you can be able to maneuver through those Orlando Pirates defenders?
You know what I can tell you now. Our boys, they were saving the energy for that game. Remember, this is a Pretoria team, ne? They don't see these Soweto teams. Chisampama like we did to Chiefs. Chisampama.
I want to give them five.
Wow. Salute, hat-trick.
The matches is back.
Pardon? Pardon?
I'm saying the matches. Charleville's matches. Last year you said you're gonna beat Pirates 5-0 at the final M10-8, and they beat you in the penalties. So you saw the matches falling.
That was also one of the mistakes that we did. But we are rectifying this now that we know how to beat Soweto teams. Pirates is included in the Chisampama. We always give Soweto teams 5. We're not gonna renege on that. 5
Thank you very much.
We're not gonna have any chance. Our team is very good, and I wish them in the coming World Club Championships to go better than the way they did last time around.
Exactly. No, thank you very much. All the best in the Network.
Thank you very much. Thank you.